Welcome. Thanks for joining us this morning for this special event. Share a few statistics. iPhone has garnered a 28% market share. Internet usage statistics, iPhone 71%. And the first thing we're going to talk about is enterprise.
Trying to understand what do they really want. Great email integration, calendar integration. They have access to their contacts and have it pushed back and forth with their servers. Global address lists, Cisco, IPsec, VPN, factor authentication with certificates and identities, enterprise class Wi-Fi with WPA2 Enterprise and 802.1x. Help them enforce security policies, tools to help them configure thousands of devices that will remotely wipe it. That we're doing all of these things. Build in Microsoft's Exchange support right into the iPhone. iPhone can work directly with corporate Exchange servers. So that's our news today on the enterprise. Next up, I'd like to invite up Scott Forstall. He's going to talk to you about the iPhone SDK.
And Mac OS X is comprised of 4 architectural layers. We start with the Core OS, then we have Core Services, a Media layer, and Cocoa. And we built Cocoa Touch. And this is our user interface application framework for the iPhone, a comprehensive set of tools to help developers quickly build, debug, and optimize their applications. Let's start with Xcode. So what is Xcode? A great tool. It is our development environment. It is where you will build and debug your applications. The next tool I'd like to talk about is Interface Builder. Interface Builder is the tool you use to build your user interface for your iPhone application. So that's Interface Builder. It is a fantastic tool for building your user interface, for actually connecting your user interface up to your code, and for localizing as well. Next, Instruments. Instruments is our comprehensive suite of performance analysis tools. So Instruments is a great tool to do real-time analysis, performance analysis of your application. And we enhanced each to support the iPhone. The iPhone simulator runs on a Mac, and it simulates the entire API stack of the iPhone OS. So a few weeks ago, we called up a handful of companies. And they did, and what they accomplished blew me away. We'll start with Electronic Arts.
The game that we chose is a game that we have in production called Spore.
The next one, Salesforce.com.
Bring our over 63,000 platform applications to the iPhone.
The next one, AOL.
AIM for iPhone.
Next, Hippocrates.
Hippocrates is a leading provider of handheld clinical reference applications for use by physicians at the point of care.
Last, and certainly not least, is Sega.
Super Monkey Ball was a natural choice.
Once you have all of these amazing applications, how do you get them on your phone?
And the way we're going to do it is what we call the App Store. This is an application we've written to deliver apps on iPhone. And we're going to put it on every single iPhone with the next release of the software. And so our developer, and the app is wirelessly downloaded using the cell network or Wi-Fi. Now, we've also built a section into iTunes where you can peruse all the apps as well. First of all, the developer picks the price. The developer gets 70% of the revenues right off the top. There's no charge for free apps at all. There's a beta release going out today. And we're going to ship this to every iPhone customer in June. And it's going to be a free software update. And to join the developer program costs just $99. One last thing.
The best way to predict the future is to invent it. We like to say the second best way is to fund it. So today, we are very proud to announce the iFund for the iPhone platform. So we decided the iFund should be $100 million.
Thank you very much for coming.